The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
There's an election, and there's a chief. Right? We come here and tell the man to lock down the sound. Who is you? We come tell the man to play. Who is you? We come tell the man to play. This is a town of order. This is a town of order. What you do? What you do? I said to your child, said this is not right. Broke this down. We give everybody them right and them authority. Shut down the sound. Please.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so I just presented to you a video that shows quite a number of persons at a party that was held somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video was recorded. The video also shows Chief of the Maroons within a compound town who goes by the name of Richard Curry. Now I got the understanding that on that night when the video was recorded, Richard Curry gave an order for a sound system to shut down. However, it seems as if at least one person was trying to violate that order. See? Yeah, viewers and subscribers, if you don't have a good understanding about the video or the situation shown in the video that I just presented to you, you can take another look at the video, maybe a third or a fourth look at the video, and you might get a better understanding. You see, I cannot really explain everything about that situation because I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, alright? Now, I saw a video posted on social media that shows two men throwing objects at each other. I cannot tell if all of those objects are stones because I could not identify some of those UFOs that I saw in that video. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video was recorded. And the video also shows when some of those objects hit surfaces. And I'm not only talking about the building shown in the video, if you understand what I mean. Now, I have learned that throughout history, whenever you see two men fighting, sometimes a female is involved in the situation. The video that I'm talking about not only shows two men throwing objects at each other, but the video also shows other persons as well. And for you to get a better understanding about the video that I'm talking about, I'm going to present to you just piece of the entire video that I saw on social media that shows when two men were throwing objects at each other. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the piece of video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe.
Kevin, give me a pass.
I show you anytime you get up on the door, watch me I'm gonna bust a blood clot throat. What? I show you what. Bust you go hear me about me. All the time say you behave yourself. I ain't not behave yourself. You behave yourself or relax. Where put me there? Man feel like
the chain is like I'm keeping the thing. I told man.
but then you saw me go for me gun and bust head. Pussy, man.
Can't me keep me no fight it look like you drop out.
I'm going to go with the girl and trouble you be yourself.
Don't move find us no child can come here.
Now move, you want to introduction. I'm going to get him down and bust him blood clot $30. I'm like no bitch, you feel like I chop the chop. I chop the chop over. I want him in and run by you, see that? I chop the chop.
Yes, and
Alright, my people. According to some unconfirmed information that I got about the situation shown in the video that I saw on social media, It is said that a confrontation developed between a female shown in the video and one of those men shown in the video who were throwing objects at each other. It is said that the confrontation developed to a point where one of those men shown in the video defended the female, and it resulted in those men throwing objects at each other. Viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that I'm only giving you information that I got about the situation shown in the video that I saw, and those information are unconfirmed information. Alright, you can let me know what you think about the situation or about the piece of video that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another topic. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a man touch and hold on to a reptile that some persons might call a crocodile or an alligator. Now, the reason why I said it like that, no, viewers and subscribers, is because sometimes I make mistakes when identifying crocodiles and alligators, even though the man in the video said crocodile, you see? But you, my viewers and subscribers, can tell me if the video shows a crocodile or an alligator, alright? Anyways, because of some things that the man had done in the video, some persons on social media find him to be brave. And I want to say this to each and everyone, please do not try anything that you're about to see in the video that I'm about to present to you. Do not see a crocodile or an alligator and touch any of those animals, because I wouldn't do it. So me not encourage no one to do something like that. Because those animals are dangerous, and I think it's common knowledge. You see? Anyways, let me know what you think about this video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Yeah. And I'm gonna need some help to put him on the boat. Can somebody grab the back leg?
Yes.
Back one?
As in for real?
No.
You would already catch that.
Lucky dogs.
My God.
Tell them bye-bye. Then you go.
I'm gonna laugh.
You good, bro?
Laughing or does he want to eat you? He's
No, man. You see these crocodiles, they don't bite hands that feed them.
Okay.
Yeah. Smart. But if you want to take a ride on its back, I won't charge for that.
I would do that.
He'll only take you to places you've never been before. What's up, my daddy?
This is what 18 to 20 feet.
Well, that's how they're said to be one of the last living species of the dinosaurs. Well, I would go for the swim, but I don't want to scare him off, you know, so I'll stay on the boat.
You will,
man. You're up on the boat. Jesus. Look how this eat, brother.
Oh, he must smile.
Matt, smile. Come here, Philip. Philip, come here. Philip, come here. Come here. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here.
Why does he smile so fast?
All good?
Oh, you're touching that, Roman?
Alright.
No, you put up the money.
All
You
good?
not feel that.
Alright. Look at me.
You caught that a while ago, Roman?
What do you mean if they train if you do this swimming career?
You feel like we can go do this?
I will.
I years I experienced this, my friend.
I feel. I will this year.
This probably I got scared. No, man. Well, it is coming too fast.
In Canton, you think say me, I go see that animal and touch him? You think me I go see no crocodile and alligators and touch me? Not even in my dream. Me want to see myself a touch no of them animal there. Them the animal there. Eh? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that you have some people out in the world who do not appreciate police officers. Some persons might go as far as say, hey, them don't like police officers. Well, that's their point of view and opinions, you see me? And I think that happened because of some things that some police officers have done, you understand? But you have good police and you have bad police. Anyways, I am going to present to you two pieces of videos that are going to show police officers from within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, I got the understanding that these pieces of videos shows a police officer who had been injured while he was on duty. And even though he's injured, he went to his job to do his work when these pieces of videos have been recorded. I'm not sure if these pieces of videos are actually from one video that have been posted on social media, but I'm just presenting these pieces of videos to you as to how I got them, alright? Now, if you want to get a good understanding about the injury that I'm talking about, you have to take a look at these pieces of videos, alright? Here are the videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Alright, so we are currently at a medical facility with the team from St. Catherine South Division who was recently involved in a shooting. And I just want to highlight something that's very profound, because I am putting some members, just featuring some members who are part of the St. Catherine South Special Ops team. But one very interesting something that I have to show you people is that we have police officers who, regardless of their injuries, they're out here, and I'm featuring no other than the great Mr. Dunn, who was a part of the team who was in the shootout. And if you look at his foot, he has a broken foot, and he's properly decked out in his kit and ready to fight crime and keep the citizens of Jamaica safe. How can we not love the Jamaica Constabulary Force? How can we not...
Alright, so big up to the police officer shown in the video, viewers and subscribers. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.